Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa coming to you today. I am with Fresh and Renewed, but I am here on the Not Too Shabby channel for day 2 of the sneak peeks for April's box of the month. And so today I have a cup of flowers. That is the other paper pad in the box of the month. And then I have a wonderful stamp set to show you and some ephemera. So let's get into this beautiful paper pad. I know if you are new to Not Too Shabby, I am the one that kind of curates, puts together the paper pads. I am not the artist, but I am the one that does all of the putting together, what it takes to put the paper pad together. So this paper pad is, I've had my eye on this paper pad for a very long time. So we have some cacti, then we have a black, let me turn it this way, then we have a black kind of polka dot background, kind of, then a purple watercolor heart, then some purple with some cacti on that same heart background, and then some teal with some cacti, and then that's on a kind of a polka dot, and then you have a polka dot here, then we have a pink watercolor, then we have pink stripes and this bright purple is in with the plants. Then we have an all over different colors, all the colors in stripes. And then we have purple and green. Oh, just gorgeous. Then we have little tiny polka dots with all kinds of plants. And then our patterns repeat. So we have lots of plants and watercolors to accompany the ephemera. So let me get the ephemera out for you. I'm going to lay this down because I'm going to take a picture of the ephemera. The ephemera is also called Cup of Flowers. And let's see what we can show of the ephemera. We have a cloche with a cup of cactus plants in it, and then another cloche with a different plant, just the plants. A little chicken. That chicken cracks me up because, you know, what does a chicken have to do with cactus? I don't know. And then we have a beautiful tulip. We have some different colors of those tulips. And what spring plants, what spring ephemera would be without another cloche, without some butterflies. So we've got lots of little butterflies. And we have some gardening tools. Another cup of plants, some flowers, a little hanging heart, one of our little girls holding the chicken, then some more tulips, another girl, same girl holding the chickens, just another one, some more tulips, some more of those little plants, and then another cup with a butterfly, a different girl, another cloche that's a little bit bigger one, or is it the same size? That one's the same size. And then another tulips. Let's see. Cup. Another little gardener girl. Some more butterflies. Another chicken. Another one of those girls. Some flowers. Just some plain flowers. Another tulip, smaller tulip. Another smaller tulip. another chicken. And this, nope, this one. Another blue tulip, a yellow tulip, another one of those pink tulips, some more gardening tools, another yellow tulip, just some plain cups, another chicken, some hearts, another gardening tool, a bigger gardening tool, a bigger flower, another heart, another one of these cloches. That would be probably the main focal point on your card. Then another one of those little gardening girls, and then another cup just of, gotta have your coffee before you start gardening. Another one of those little hanging hearts, and another flower. So we have all of those, plenty to make cards. So let me take a picture and I'll insert the still picture here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So this is what I chose. I ended up with 2 of the hanging plants. I colored them with my zebra colored pencils, Zebra Sensations. When I want to color up something really quick, these are the colored pencils to go to. So anyhow, I colored up 2 of the hanging plants, and then I cut out with a flag banner, a long flag banner. I cut out a background, or a backer, then a background. I was kind of a little bummed. I was going to cut that out of the pattern paper, and then I realized it wouldn't fit. And so then I was going to cut this pattern paper out of the purple hearts, and it wouldn't fit. So I had to turn that kind of diagonal to get it to fit. So I'm going to put them like this, and then put this layer on top. And I am going to punch the holes first, because I don't have the strength to punch them all at once. So let's get these holes punched, and then we will try and line them up, because that's where I am going to put my tassel. Actually, did you know that you can buy bookmark tassels? I did not know that. I wish I had known that before I started this journey of making bookmarks for my daughter. And I sure wish I had known that. But I will be buying some bookmark tassels to have in my stash for making bookmarks. You can buy them on Amazon. There's several other places you can buy them. Okay, and then let's do the last one. And then we're just going to use some baker's twine for this tassel. There we go. All right, so we are going to get out our Barely Arts liquid glue. Jamie carries this in the shop, and I will have that linked down below. That's my favorite. Oh, everything's sticking to my fingers. I don't know why. It's my favorite glue. And I don't know why my hands are so shaky today. So I hope you are all doing well. I hope you are having a wonderful Easter weekend. I am chilling at home today. All of my grandkids are too old for, you know, Easter kind of activities, you know, Easter egg hunts and all that kind of stuff that we used to do when they were little. And I cut that a little off, but that's okay. So I am just chilling at home today. I have to make potato salad later to take for our Easter celebration tomorrow. That's all I have. And crafting. It's always a good day when you can spend it crafting. Okay, so let's see if we can get this hole lined up. There we go, perfect. I think it looks a little crooked, but I think it's because of the stripes, not because it's actually crooked. Okay, and then I am probably will be back later this month. Probably, I shall say, to make some cards out of this collection, because this is my favorite of the two. I like both of them, but this is my favorite of the two. You know, I hate saying that sometimes because it's like you're saying you have a favorite child. You know, how do you have a favorite child? Oh, and that one does look crooked, but okay. So we have that. We're going to put this right up there. So let's go ahead and do, I don't usually, when I make bookmarks, I don't pop anything up because, of course, you want them all flat to go in your book. I'm going to put that right up there. And we're going to put this one, and I don't know what to do to make it look like it's not hanging in the air without being attached to anything. Oh, you know what I could have done? Too late now. We're just going to leave it. I could have put a little brad right there, but I didn't think about that. Did not think about that. And then we are going to put some glue on our sentiment and put it right here in the middle. Oh, there we go. Now it doesn't look like, oh, we need to go scooch that over. There we go. And we're going to trim this part off. And then that one's just hanging out a little bit. Okay, so let me see if we can make a tassel out of this purple and white twine. And we are going to just try and make as long a tassel as possible. Well, not as long a tassel, as full a tassel as possible is what I meant to say. Let's see if we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strands through this hole. I don't know if that's gonna work. It's awful many strands to go through that hole. Okay, I'm sorry you are going to watch me fiddling with this till I can get it through the hole. Let's see, let's get my pokey tool. That's typically what I use when I'm doing something like this. Let me know if you use something else when you're doing something like this. So let's see how much we can get through that hole. Did we get it all? Ah, there we go. I think we got it all through there. Okay, now if we can get our little thing correct. And we got this one, and we've got this one. There we go. Ta-da. Okay. Now we're going to have to pull them one at a time to find that one, to pull it tight. It's probably going to be the last one I pull. Well, I pulled them all. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we've got a nice little tassel on our bookmark. Trimmed it off, and there we go. There is our bookmark for today. I hope you enjoyed my project, and come back tomorrow when Jamie will have day 3 of the sneak peeks, and then the live release party is Monday. So I will catch you later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.